Okay, you ready to see the two pulley system? I've set it up. Now, mind you, it takes a little bit of time to do this. In a laboratory setting, students, they usually curse by the end of this. But here it is. So here's my first string that I started out with. It goes along the first pulley. Then the string, you pull up on this first string and attach it to the hook of the second pulley. Then a second supporting string goes around the second pulley like this and then attached to the spring scale. Now, if you compare this with the picture in your book, you can see it's rather similar. Now, I'm just going to cut off, there's an extra string hanging down that's kind of bothering me. It's just, all right. So what we're going to try and do is measure the force in. The force out is the same. I still have the same amount of mass. So it's 202 grams, 200.2 grams. So remember that was from the last exercise. It did not change the mass in the mass hanger. This pulley and this pulley, you have to get the masses on there. You have to add that to the 200.2 grams. Now, let's actually see how much force I gotta pull up on the mass, the spring scale. All right, so as you can tell, it's more than the first one. 0.5, well, actually, I'm sorry, it's less. Remember the last time it was over 1 Newton, now it's less than 1 Newton. So 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, looks like it's around 0.9 newtons. It's a little more than 0.9, I would say 0.91 newtons, okay? I am gonna say 0.9 newtons for this one. Now, let's go try and do the distance without, I don't think I probably need another video. I'm just gonna tape this meter stick up there because it's gonna fall off. Murphy's Law. I'm just gonna stick it and tape it up at the top so that I don't have to worry about it coming off. Well, of course, it's not gonna work that way. All right, so now it's hopefully staying still. Now for this one, I'm gonna move up the mass 5 centimeters because 10 centimeters would make the string isn't long enough for me to move that up. There's a 4-to-1 ratio now. So I'm gonna move my mass down all the way to the bottom. And then like I did before, I'm gonna try and see where, there it is. Where the spring scale is at. Okay, so it's at the bottom right now. So it's right at, it's 30. It's a little bit less than it was last time, 34, okay? So now I'm gonna move the bottom one up by 5. Let's go see it move up, whee. Actually, it's kind of hard for you to tell because I've got it at such an angle, but it's moved up by 5. And now, 5, 60, no, 50, 55. All right, so I move up the bottom mass by 5, and I go from 34 to 55. I think it was originally 34, right? Okay, so go ahead and calculate the AMA and the TMA from those values.